Welcome to the video from thedigitallifestyle.com. In this video we're going to have a look at this new build of Windows 10, build 10136, which is available for Windows Insiders. It was released yesterday, 16th of June. Microsoft seemed pretty pleased with this one, and they've polished the UI up quite a lot. So that's what they're saying in this. There's a lot of enhancements to the UI and some personalization options and things like that, and some of the features. So we'll have a quick look at those, and you can then go back and look at previous videos if you want to look at earlier builds. The first thing you'll notice, you've got this nice transparent pin entry screen, which looks quite good. Okay, so here it is. I finally got it installed and up and running. I did have some issues and I had to have another go at installing it because the settings wouldn't work, so I couldn't put Wi-Fi keys in the things. And on this one, the Project Spark and OneDrive have just fallen over and no longer work, so I'm going to have to try and resolve that. But they were working before. So some of the things I noticed as I was going through, playing around with some of the settings. In personalization now, you can adjust the transparency of the tiles. I don't remember that being in the previous build. So let's... And you can adjust... You've got more color, you've got a color navigation bar, which I remember seeing that before. So you can turn that off and on, which probably doesn't look too good with the nice green effect. Oh, there you go. So you got the red tiles, the red navigation bar on a transparent background, and so you can adjust that transparency. So there's with a very light transparency. So it's nice to have those customization options. Another thing I noticed as well, the Wi-Fi button. Actually, I don't really like this change. If you tap the Wi-Fi button, previous build, it would take you to the Wi-Fi screen. Now it just turns the Wi-Fi off or back on again. I preferred the old way where it would bring the screen up and then you could say turn it off and come back on in and out of that kind of option. They said that's responding to user feedback. I'm not sure I really like that, but something I'll get used to. Cortana has been improved. They said the UI is close to the finished version of. The tiles look a lot better. The new tiles look a lot better on there. So yeah, looking good. A lot cleaner UI. I must admit. The Photos app, you can now tap on the month, and you get all the apps like that. And if I go into here and double tap, it zooms in. I was taking a picture of Xbox 360, Xbox One media streaming on my Windows 10 PC for that. The camera app has been improved, although I can't show you that. That only works on the 640, 640L, I think the 930 and 1520. I have a 1520, but I'm not running Windows 10 on it at the moment. I think the whole font and look feel of it looks a lot better as well. The camera app has some extra features in it. That's the main difference. I'm just checking the notes from Microsoft. Something else I can't show you on this, but if you've got a large screen like the 1520 that I use for my main phone, it now supports one-handed mode. So the screen will, if you press and hold the start button, the screen will slide down so you can reach items at the top of it, and that's on devices with a 5-inch or bigger screen. So it won't do it on this one. From the previous build, the MMS bug has been fixed. So the lock screen issues have been fixed, and the Action Center glitches have been fixed, and the scaling and things like that has also been fixed as well. So not a huge amount of changes in this build. First of all, I should say right at the beginning, really, it does feel a lot faster. It was extremely sluggish on the previous build. This build, things are responding much better, apart from the things that aren't working like Spartan, but I'm sure I'll be able to fix that. So it's definitely looking a lot better. The store app is looking a lot better too. It's a lot of fit and finish on that one. So I think in general the phone OS is looking a lot better. I've had a few random reboots, but that's probably as expected on the preview build. Certainly less than the old builds that have been trying, and I think the whole thing looks a lot better. Still not there yet. I still wouldn't put it on my main phone, but it's okay to try while it's on a test phone like this. So you can check out our previous videos of the phone builds and also the desktop builds, the PC builds running on tablets as well on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this one. See you next one. Bye.